Hey, yeah, I've got a very cheap padlock here. I only paid like $2 for it. So I'm wondering how cheap and nasty it is. The idea is you dial in your combination, press this, and this will open up and it'll release what it's holding. Now, but do you notice if I press this, I get my fingernail down there and there's a little bit of a gap. So I'm going to get a piece of tissue because my fingers are sweaty. I'm going to see if I can't try and convince one of those to come out. Okay, piece of tissue. Okay, so I'm in position, so I'm going to squeeze it and pull, see if I can get it that gap. Yep, I can get it and then get into whatever it's holding. So that's not very good. Okay, now this is some kind of metal. This bit here is plastic. I'm assuming it's plastic inside, and when I press here hard I can't seem to force the lock, but maybe if I had something to help me pull it. I wonder if I can use a bit of plastic. Okay, I can pull this right back, so I would think that with a screwdriver definitely we'll be able to pull this right back. So that's basically forcing the lock. Okay, so it isn't that strong. Thanks.